Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing a review on the Mountainsmith Stash Duffel, and I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. So check it out. Hey everyone, I'm Ken from Northern Viking Explorer, and if you are new to this channel, it is all about travel, exploring, and discovery, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Mountainsmith Stash Duffel. This is size small in Anvil Gray, so let's go ahead and take a closer look. So let's talk about the bag itself. The bag is made with 305D CORDURA fabric. It feels really strong. It doesn't feel like it's going to break. The fabric feels fairly thick. As well as there's lots of stitching. There's stitching here reinforcing the handles. There's 2 lines of stitching on each side of the zipper. The zippers themselves feel really strong, like they're going to hold up for a long time. And they've gone with some extras. You can see there's a padded handle, a really strong clip here with a metal latch. It just feels really well built. As for the size, this is the size small in Anvil Gray, and it is 20 inches wide by 10 inches by 10 inches. It also has a capacity of 30 liters, which is fairly decent for a bag that folds up within itself, as well as it can carry up to 40 pounds. So that's where all the extra stitching comes in. It just is gonna handle a lot of weight for you. Especially if you're traveling, you can throw all the extra stuff that you buy in there. And the bag itself only weighs 14.5 ounces, so it's really light. That's 0.4 of a kilo. So let's go ahead and unpack the bag. I'm gonna open up the zipper here. They have really nice tabs on the zippers as well. When you open that up, the first thing I'll pull out, I squished a big travel pillow in there, as well as a couple of packing cubes full of clothing. If you're looking for a travel pillow or packing cubes, I've got a link to those videos in the cards at the end. You can take a look, watch the videos on those 2 products. So that's the medium packing cube, and this is the large packing cube. This one's kind of squished in there, but it does fit. And yeah, it's quite a bit of stuff. There was a little bit more room if you did want to put some socks or different things in there. The other nice thing about this bag is it has a flap here that I think it's just for protection so the zipper doesn't catch. As well, on the inside there is a nice pocket if you want to zip in some of your other things, your keys or whatever. They can go right in that pocket on the inside so you don't lose them when you're walking around. So as I had mentioned, this bag folds within itself in the side pocket of the bag. So I'll just open it up. There's a zipper here at the top, and it just folds out from within itself and creates a duffel bag. You can see here's the side pocket that it came out of, and you just kind of fold it into itself and it folds up into that nice little package. This duffel bag also comes with an adjustable strap, so you can make it longer or shorter, as well as the width is quite wide, which makes it very comfortable when you're walking around. I should also mention that this bag has a lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects. You can check it out on their website, mountainsmith.com. So what do I like about this Mountainsmith Stash Duffel? Well, the first thing is the quality of the bag. It feels really strong. The materials feel like they're gonna last a long time. The zippers, they feel like they're not gonna break, and they've got nice pull tabs on them, as well as the handles. They're built with high quality materials with lots of extra stitching. Just feels like it's built really well. The other thing that I really love about this bag is its size. The fact that it actually folds down within itself, it makes it really convenient for traveling. It weighs 14.5 ounces, and it can hold up to 40 pounds, so it's quite a bit. If you're like us, when you travel, you buy a lot of souvenirs and clothes and different things, and maybe you overfill your suitcase, it's really easy to unfold this and have another carry-on, as well as if you're heading to the beach, you can hold all your beach accessories, your sunscreen, your towels when you're on holidays. So if you're looking for a lightweight duffel bag that you can take with you traveling, I highly recommend this one. You can check it out. There's a link down below in the description to Amazon if you want to pick one up. Also, if you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Explorer, because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thank you so much again for watching. Have a great day.